Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a really useful accessory kit for the FIMI X8 mini drone. This is the 3-in-1 Set B, which includes landing gear, replacement propellers, and propeller guards. First up, let's talk about the landing gear. This set is designed to effectively increase the height of the drone by 2 centimeters. Now, that might not sound like a lot, but that extra clearance makes a significant difference. It helps reduce the impact force when the drone lands, protecting the main body and especially the battery from hitting the ground hard. More importantly, during both takeoff and landing, this added height helps prevent ground debris like small stones, dirt, or grass from being kicked up and potentially damaging the aircraft body or, critically, the sensitive gimbal camera. Keeping that gimbal safe is paramount for getting good footage, and this landing gear provides that essential buffer. Next in the kit are the propellers. These are specifically designed for the X8 Mini. They are noted for being lightweight, which is important for drone performance and flight time. Despite being light, they're described as having good performance and being durable. A key aspect mentioned is that they undergo a precise balance test. This balancing is crucial because it ensures smooth operation and provides a strong pulling force for the drone, contributing to stable and efficient flight. Finally, the kit includes propeller guards. These protective rings serve a vital safety function. They are designed to separate the spinning propeller blades from the outside environment. This is incredibly important for preventing the propellers from accidentally scratching or bumping into people, animals, or objects. Flying safely is always the top priority, and these guards add an extra layer of security, especially when flying in areas where there might be obstacles or people nearby. So, this 3-in-1 Set B offers a comprehensive upgrade for the FIMI X8 Mini, addressing both protection and flight performance. The landing gear adds crucial ground clearance. The propellers ensure efficient and stable flight, and the guards enhance safety. It seems like a well-rounded kit for any X8 Mini owner looking to add some extra peace of mind and maintain optimal performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.